Yo dudes, this is Logan at Riskless Review, where I test products so you don't have to. So today we're going to be looking at some BTS unboxings. Let's get to it. Alright, so we have got the Fifth Muster. This must be the Blu-ray version. See, before I did the DVD version not too long ago. So let's check them out. So these are fun. The Magic Shop ones are really fun. The muster are always cool. They have a good time. A muster is where they put on a special concert for Army, where they prepare something special, and that's usually a little more low-key, a little more lighthearted. So the other one was Green Book. This one is a Blue Book. This seems thinner. We'll look at that in a little bit. So this looks pretty much the same. It might have slightly different pictures, but overall it looks about the same. Got all of them as doctors, managers Jimin, guest is Jungkook. Oh yeah, Army make you feel better. They got the same thing there. The disc color is different. So welcome to the Magic Shop. Any worries you'd like to share? Any wish you'd like to make come true? The Magic Shop will be your guidance. Imagine a door leading to your minds. What you want the most stands behind that door. Just believe and your magic shop will come true. Are you ready? I'll show you. Alright, look at those. Yeah, they're different color. That looks cool. They look really neat. Kind of saw that already, but we'll give it a look-see. Cool. Alright, what do we have here? This is like a fancy letter. Oh, this is a fancy invitation. The other one was just like a card. This is a real invitation. It's got a BTS gold seal. I almost don't want to crack it open, but you know I'm gonna. Fifth Muster to Army. Let's do this. See if I can get it without destroying it. Yeah, not too bad. What do we got here? Ooh, this is way cooler than the other one. Yeah, that shows up on the camera too. They pop up and they... Oh, that's cool. I like that. So this is the invitation. Yeah, this is very cool. I like that invitation. That feels much fancier. This is the Blu-ray, you see. Ooh, J-Hope! And in the kith gear, this is like an actual photo. BTS4.jpg. Yeah, that's funny. Fuji color, Fujifilm. This is a straight printed photo. Nice. That's pretty cool. And in a sleeve, nonetheless. J-Hope's my bias, so couldn't have pulled a better card. I'll take it. Alright, so this book, though, seems a little smaller. So, let's go into the Magic Shop. Got the fireworks at the show. Here they are. The intro. Getting hip-hop-ish. Fun sunglass time. Supreme. Colors, very colorful. Yeah, I like that built set, very cool. Yeah, it's so cool. I love at the end where the lights are all cool. There's fireworks. It's always so fun. Now they're in Seoul. Intro again. Oh, I like what Ratmon's wearing. That black and gold look. Very cool. Yeah, these are handmade shirts. Jungkook wearing his US Polo. 90s style. Oh, so is Ratmon in that down there. There they are. Probably after the... Oh, this is before the show. And then we got some credits. So yeah, the Blu-ray book is a little shorter than the DVD one. The DVD one, as you saw, was much longer. That video was way longer than this one. This one was pretty short and simple. Really cool stuff. I really love the invitation though. Man, that was so cool. I really love that. So yeah, let me know if you guys saw this show live. Man, I could only imagine how fun these are to see live. And let me know what your favorite picture was in there too. And as usual, talk to you soon.